how to change Facebook group name. So this will only be applicable if you're the admin or the owner. Click right here on your three lines and then click right here on your group option. Now, once you're in here, you can head over and then look for the groups that you're a part in or the groups that you're actually own. So you can head over right here to your groups that you have right there as well. Discover, and you can also see in here the events and a lot more. So as you can see right here, I have created this group which is 7. So if I want to actually change its name, I can head over and click on this three line. And I have in here the setting. You can also click right here on the manage option. And we have in here this. Click right here onto the 7. And we have in here this. So you can also scroll down and here you can see the group status as well as group settings. Click right here onto the group settings. Click right here on the name and description, and then you can change right here the name. Now click on the save, and then let's head back. And then as you can see, the group name has been changed. So that's how you change Facebook group name. Hope you helped.